Today I'm here to answer any questions you may have for the police.
Can the police search my car?
When a police officer has probable cause, they can legally search your vehicle without a warrant. Probable cause means the officer has reason to believe that you are participating in criminal activity or that there is evidence of a crime in your vehicle.
Okay, sounds understandable. How about my phone? Can they track it?
Can police track your phone? The police won't track your phone without reason, but they can access your device's location history in an emergency or if they suspect criminal activity. Once they have a warrant, the police can access a phone's GPS data through a cell provider and view its current or last known location.
Wow, Big Brother has some reach. I heard about that. What about my buddies that were squatting down the street? Can the man make them leave?
States differ, but in North Carolina, for example, squatting laws when dealing with squatter removals are not specific. Removing them would require the following a judicial eviction process. Asking for aid from the sheriff to remove the squatters.
Doesn't sound very efficient, but good for them. Your police dogs, can they smell nicotine and other drugs?
The answer is yes. Our canines sniff out every drug you can imagine, like nicotine, cocaine, heroin, marijuana, MDMA, and amphetamines, to name a few.
Back to the subject of the cell phones, can police take it?
The Fourth Amendment protects you against unreasonable search and seizure. Thus, they need a warrant to take or search your phone.
What all can they do with the phone if they take it?
If the law enforcement officers go to your cell service provider or Google, they can access information on your text messages and emails if they have a court order. If the police have a subpoena, they can access emails that date back as far as 180 days, whether they are opened or unopened. All your Snapchat, Facebook, Insta, and social media messages and pictures can be retrieved, even the ones supposedly deleted forever, with special software.
That sounds tight. I know some people who would be in a lot of trouble if their other got that. What is it?
Cellebrite is a full suite of professional forensic data recovery tools ideal for solving crime cases. Combined with Blacklight and Cellebrite Digital Collector, it offers a faster and unmatchable file extraction process for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS.
If asked for my ID, do I have to show it to the police?
Some states are different. For example, North Carolina has no stop and identify statute. This means that, as a general rule, a person who is stopped by police in North Carolina is not required to provide his or her name or produce identification. In North Carolina, if you are operating a motor vehicle or in charge of one on public streets and highways, you must produce your driver's license to law enforcement when requested. Passengers may also be required to identify themselves, depending on the circumstances. Unlike some states. Thanks for having me here today. Please come back to our next information session. Jerry the parolee, as he communicates his sentence, giving tips to prevent burglaries. Smash the buttons now and we'll see you then.